Hey, what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to share with you how I caught this type of entries, okay? But before then, let me take you to my Telegram group, right? So this is my Telegram group, and this is how we move from this to this, right? This is yesterday trade. We also move from this on Vix75, okay, to this. These are the trades we take on a daily. All right, if you check here, this is BTC. From this we go to this, and at the end of the day we actually hit TP at this point, right? So this is trades that are more than 1:7. Some of them are 1:10, some 1:5. The minimum trade opportunity that we get in terms of RR is 1:3. We don't go below 1:3, but most of the trade goes all the way to this one. This trade is more than 1:9. I think this is 9 point something. That is 1:10 RR. So, and it's not like you are just doing 1:10, 1:this, you are not hitting TP. Let's say 60 to 70% of these trades hit TP at the end of the day. So some of them doesn't hit TP, and at the same time, even when you did not hit TP, I've already had a live section where I teach traders how to manage their trade. Even when you are not hitting your final TP, you can equally make money out of the trade, because most of our trade initially we always hit 1:3 easily, right? So once you hit 1:3 on a trade, you should know how to manage the trade in such a way that you will come out with profit or secure your balance without losing any money on the trade. All right, this is another trade that should be step index, okay? If you look from here, I think where I dropped the signal is somewhere here, right? You can see where I dropped the signal also, and finally hit complete TP right here. So we have other trades like this. The starting of the trade, you can see the setup, the GBP NZD trade. You can see when we started, and you can see how we are going. At the end of the day, hitting TP at about $250. Okay, this is when we are still by this time we have not hit TP. I think the TP of this trade went up to 250 something dollars. Okay, so let me see if I can get that. This is 180. You can see right here $252 on this particular trade, right? So, but we are not interested, like I said. If you have been following me in this group, I am not interested in sending screenshot of individual profits or personal profit or something like that. What you are interested on is the setup, the RR, okay, the risk reward, and how we manage our trade. That's the most important thing. So because of this, I decided to conduct a poll where I ask people questions, because this year I started to do one-on-one mentorship because it's more effective. I started January, and this is the 4th month, okay, that I'm mentoring individual. All right, one-on-one, only one person per month. All right, so but the month of May, nobody have secured the slot, and May, August, and September, these are 3 months that the slots are free. But I decided to ask a question: if what my followers or people who are in my channel want. Okay, I noticed that more than 43% of people want me to continue dropping the signals, and about 27% want me to organize a 1 month mentorship, general mentorship with a subsidized amount, and the remaining set of people want me to do live, okay, live stream. All right, so now I've decided to, you know, take all these things, prioritize dropping of signals, but at the same time I want to also organize a 1 month mentorship program in the month of May and do a live stream for free. So if you can't afford as little as $50, all right, for a 1 month mentorship program, you also stay in the group. We are going to be having a live stream where I'm going to be sharing few things, right? Even I'm still going to share something that is going to be beneficial, all right, and can actually impact your trading. But in this 1 month, like I said here, if you look at what I drop here, it is not for beginners. Okay, this 1 month mentorship program is strictly not for beginners. I beg you in the name of God, if you are the type who don't know what trading is all about, support and resistance, bearish, bullish, lot sizes, stop loss, if you don't know all these things, please don't grab a slot. I am not ready to start teaching you anything beginner aspect of trading. So what we are going to be learning is strictly my strategy. I don't want to come and start teaching you any other thing apart from how I trade, how I manage my trade, how I catch those big RR. That's the only thing I'm going to be teaching. So I am not going to be teaching you any other thing apart from that. So the price is going to be subsidized to $50. Okay, payment is crypto or bank transfer for Nigerians. Class starts from 3rd of May. Okay, that's when we are going to be starting class. Registration starts today, okay, and ends 25th of April 2025. All right, so if you want to join, click the link in the description to join the Telegram group to reach out to me. All right, I'm going to also drop my username in the description of this video, so if you want to reach out to me direct, you can just click the username, you know, chat me up. You don't need to go and start searching for kingsfx on Telegram. Please don't be scammed. Just be have this information, join the Telegram group. I'll be updating the Telegram channel about this mentorship. All right, it's starting May 3rd. Registration is going to be ending April 25th. So if you want to join, don't forget that this mentorship, we are just expecting only 20 people. So that's why we have here 20 slots only. So once we get up to 20 individuals who want to join in this mentorship, we'll be closed for whether if we get up to 20 today, we won't wait for April 25th, which is the last day of the registration. We are going to be closing the door. So take advantage of this, and you know, it doesn't come all the time. This is the first time I'm going to be doing it for the year, and might be the last time, right? So if you want to join, click the link in the description to join the Telegram group. Okay, then reach out to me and secure your own slot. So that's that. I hope this is information is helpful. So some people were asking, what are you going to be doing in this mentorship? Like I said, it's strictly going to be my setup, right? And also how to manage your trade, because most time you will see some people hitting up to 1:3, 1:4, and at the end of the day the trade will still go back and hit their stop loss. Why on earth should you see such an amount on maybe, you know, make such an amount and still lose everything, lose money from your account? Right? It is not healthy. When psychologically it's not healthy. So you have to understand how to manage your trade when you are in profit and how to manage your trade when you are losing, right? So these are two things that are inevitable. You must hit your stop loss at a particular point in time. You also must hit your TP at a particular point in time. So you just need to know how to balance two of them to make sure that at the end of the day you are coming out with profit weekly, daily, monthly, depending on how you are, you know, evaluate your trade. All right, so that's that for this. I hope this information is going to be helpful. I hope you won't miss this opportunity. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.